Hey guys. So I just joined the Skool App with Sam Oven and Alex Harmozy. Okay. And I'm telling you, this is a game changer. I just joined it like 2, 3 weeks ago. And I got about 40 members in it already. Now it's free. I talk about financial literacy. It's called the School of Money and Wealth. We talk about financial literacy. We talk about savings. We talk about credit. We talk about business funding. We talk about everything. Okay. But now we have the live app. We have the live. We literally now can go live. Look at that. Look at that. We can go live inside the app. Now, here's the thing about the Skool app. Whether you're a gardener, whether you like clothes, whether you like sneakers, whether you like gaming, it doesn't matter what you like, right? It doesn't matter what you like. There's an audience for you. You literally can have a trial, I think, for 7 days. Okay. And then there's different tiers. You can pay $9 a month to have unlimited people, or you could pay $99 a month. And of course, you'll get different features and all that stuff. I love it because you have classroom in there. You got lessons in there that you can leave for your people. It has a calendar in there. So if you want to put things in there for people to know. And of course, it tells you who your members are, leaderboard, and it's going to have an about page. This is a game changer, guys. This Skool app with Sam Oven and Alex Hermosi is a game changer because this is something that people have been looking for. This is what people have been looking for. You can post. So I'm really focused on building my Skool app community. I am going to be talking to all of my physical schools and how to get into this so we can start building wealth. And then you can post in there. You got different things that you can post in there. You can post in different categories. You can post different things. People come in there. They leave. They talk about themselves. They introduce themselves. You're able to help them in anything you do. If you're a gardener and you want to build a community on gardening, then this is it. Make sure you click the link in my bio. If you're into hair and you want to teach people about hair, you could do it for free, or you could charge people $10 a month, $20 a month, $50 a month, whatever you want to, charge people. You can create your own community in the app. I already have 40 people. We just started like 2 weeks ago. And my goal is to help people get financially educated so that we can have more financially stable people in the world. So I'm actually going to go live. Okay. I'm going to test